Yo, what's up guys, the Rickster, back at it again with another unboxing video. Today we're looking at the original Star Wars trilogy. Some of the best movies ever made, one of the best trilogies of all time. Let's get right into it with Star Wars. And I refuse to call this movie A New Hope. It just does not roll off the tongue for me. Yeah, this is fucking Star Wars, bitch. Like, we got Obi-Wan, we got Han Solo and Chewbacca, we got the Death Star, we got R2-D2, we got Tatooine, we got Darth Vader. What more could you want, bro? This is what every movie should aspire to be, I think. I've seen a lot of people think that this movie is just a little bit boring nowadays, and I could not disagree more. This movie just, it's flawless. Like, in every single fucking shot is, it's magnificent. And then we got the best Star Wars movie. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than this. The Empire Strikes Back. Revenge of the Sith came close, though. I'll give it that. Like, this is just the best one. Like, what do you mean? We got fucking Yoda in this movie. We got Hoth. Fuck, I love these movies. Now, even though I love these original movies, I can't say I'm the biggest Star Wars fan. I'm a fan of these original movies. I just think that they didn't get any better than this. And no, I have not seen the Clone Wars. I'm gonna get around to it. I watched it as a kid and I did not like it. I thought it was fucking boring, and I thought it was like, oh my god, I don't want to see these guys talking. I just want to see fucking lightsaber battles. But I heard it's actually one of the best shows of all time. So I guess I'm gonna have to get around to it. And yeah, this is the worst out of the original trilogy by far. And that's saying a lot because this movie is still really good. And man, that ending, oh my god. Alright, well, those were the Star Wars movies on fucking Blu-ray.